They just sent a helicopter across with a military jet sound. I kid you not, a military jet sound. This is a rotary helicopter. It didn't make the sound of that at all. Again, this is an alien projection. I can prove it. Also, it crashed. Oh. Freaking helicopter over there. Where are you going? Where are you going, helicopter? It's got a jet engine noise. That's not a helicopter. Okay, so they just flew over the helicopter and played a jet engine noise. For the hell of it, because they can do it. Where the birds at? Do they hear it? It's still going. We'll see it later. So like I said, these are projections. What's that? Look at the sky. You hear it?